Welcome to the topic about ONDC. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify the key features and functions offered by ONDC. Let's start with a discussion. Have you done any online shopping? List a few online companies that you are aware of. If you see a product on Meesho, can you see similar product on Amazon while still on the Meesho site? Also, let's say that you are searching for products at Amazon.in. Do you also get a listing of products at Flipkart or Meesho or another online store? Well, it's not possible to view listings from different shopping apps while browsing on Amazon or Meesho. But this is possible through ONDC. So, what is ONDC? What does it stand for? Let's find out. ONDC stands for Open Network for Digital Commerce. This is an initiative by the Indian government. In ONDC, all buyers and sellers can be on different apps or platforms, but still, they can transact with each other. What's more, as a seller, you can be found by all the buyers without having to join multiple marketing platforms. Let's first understand the meaning of few key terms that are often used like buyer app, seller app, logistics service provider, and so on. What is a buyer app? A buyer app, often also known as Buyer Network Participant or BNP, is a platform or application that allows buyers to discover, browse, and purchase products or services from sellers registered on the ONDC network. For example, Paytm or other apps onboarded to ONDC act as buyer apps. Users can browse products from ONDC sellers directly through these apps. Seller apps, also called Seller Network Participant or SNP, are platforms or applications that help businesses, merchants, and service providers onboard to the ONDC network and sell their products or services. These apps act as intermediaries between sellers and the broader ONDC network, enabling them to list, manage, and process orders efficiently. An example of seller app in ONDC is the Samita Seller app. The Samita Seller app is a platform designed to help sellers onboard ONDC easily, with features like inventory management, catalog setup, and order processing. Logistics service providers enable seamless and efficient delivery of goods between sellers and buyers. They form an integral part of the ONDC network, ensuring orders are fulfilled and customers receive their products on time. Given here are the features of ONDC. Let's look at each of them. Interoperability, data empowerment, choice and competition, standardization, innovation and growth, consumer protection. What is interoperability? Different e-commerce platforms can connect and work together, allowing buyers to access products from various sellers across multiple apps seamlessly. Let's understand this better. Imagine you want to buy a pressure cooker online. You usually use App A for your shopping. However, you hear about some great deals on App B and App C. With ONDC's interoperability, you can easily access products from all three. You don't have to close the first app and move to the second to compare the price. It's all in one place on the ONDC platform. What is data empowerment all about? ONDC puts users in control of their data, ensuring privacy and secure sharing with authorized parties. Let's understand this with an example. Priya uses an ONDC-enabled app to shop for clothes. When Priya signed up for the app, she was given the option to share her shopping preferences, such as favorite styles and sizes. Priya receives personalized recommendations based on the data she shared. The app provides personalized clothing recommendations from various sellers across different platforms within the ONDC network. If Priya later feels uncomfortable with how her data is being used, she can easily revoke access or delete her data from the app, ensuring her privacy is maintained. Have you heard about the choice and competition feature available in ONDC? What is it? It's the ability of consumers to access a wide variety of products and services from multiple sellers, as well as the opportunity for businesses to compete fairly without being restricted to a single platform. For example, Anjali wants to buy a new laptop. Anjali opens an ONDC enabled app and searches for laptops. She can view options from various sellers, including local electronics stores and online brands that are part of the ONDC network. Anjali sees laptops from seller A priced at 50,000 rupees, seller B at 48,000 rupees, and seller C at 52,000 rupees. She can easily compare specifications, customer reviews, and prices across these different sellers within the same app. Knowing that their products are listed alongside others, sellers are motivated to offer competitive prices, better quality, or additional services to attract customers. Does ONDC follow standardization? Standardization is using the same rules and formats so that different online shopping apps can easily work together and share information. For example, let's suppose a local bakery decides to use ONDC to sell products online. The bakery prepares its product listings, like cakes, cookies, and breads, using a standardized format defined by ONDC. This includes details like product name, description, price, and images. The bakery uploads this product listing once. This information is then automatically formatted and shared across all participating ONDC platforms. This seamless integration ensures customers can find the bakery's products on any connected app. For instance, a customer searching on App B can see the bakery's offerings just as they would on App A or App C. How does ONDC help sellers in innovation and growth? The ONDC platform fosters innovation and growth by providing small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, and startups with the tools and infrastructure needed to thrive in the digital commerce space. Let's look at an example. A handicraft startup named Asha's Creations wants to sell its handmade products online but lacks the resources to create its e-commerce website. It registers on an ONDC-compliant app and lists its handmade items like pottery, textiles, and jewelry. These ensures visibility on multiple shopping apps part of the ONDC ecosystem. Through ONDC, the startup gains access to tools for managing inventory, processing payments, and analyzing customer preferences without needing to invest heavily in technology. This helps them to learn which products are popular and can adjust its inventory accordingly or create new items that align with consumer trends. How does ONDC help in protecting buyers' rights and they are not cheated? ONDC have consumer protection measures that are designed to safeguard the rights and interests of buyers when shopping online. Let's understand this with an example. Ravi orders a smartphone through an ONDC-enabled app. Upon receiving the phone, he finds it defective and not functioning. He reports the issue using the app's grievance redressal feature. How does ONDC's quality standards ensure fair resolution? A transaction-level contract is automatically created between Ravi's app, the buyer app, and the seller's app on purchasing. The phone outlines the rights and obligations of both parties, including return policies and warranty terms. Ravi contacts customer support through the ONDC-enabled app to report the issue. The app provides access to an online dispute resolution or the ODR service, which is part of ONDC's Consumer Protection Framework. This ensures fair resolution of Ravi's complaint. After knowing about the features of ONDC, let's next explore how will ONDC help you as a seller. ONDC provides sellers with opportunities to grow and expand their business. It provides access to a larger customer base. This helps ONDC connect sellers directly with customers across India. This enables you to expand your reach beyond your local area and increase sales. ONDC provides enhanced visibility. This ensures that your business or products will be visible to buyers across the country. ONDC has an improved digital infrastructure. With this, you will get access to digital payment systems, logistics support, and online marketing tools. This will help you in your online business operations. ONDC helps in reducing your business costs by utilizing the ONDC network. You can bypass middlemen and directly engage with customers. Flexibility. ONDC provides you the flexibility to switch seller applications without affecting your business and ratings. Let's next understand how ONDC works. Wondering what is advantage of using Samita Seller app? Let's look at it. The Samita ONDC app has been built with the objective to create fair market opportunities for small and medium enterprises. It provides easy onboarding. The Sanghita Seller app is specifically designed for ONDC. It helps sellers onboard quickly and efficiently without complex technical requirements. It provides a user-friendly interface. The app is easy to use with easy-to-manage product catalog, even for those with limited technical knowledge. Increased reach. Sellers can expand their reach to a larger audience, boosting visibility and potential sales. Compliance with ONDC standards. The app ensures that all transactions and listings comply with ONDC's rules. Let us understand how to register on ONDC. What are the documents that you need to register on ONDC? As a merchant, you can start selling through any of the seller apps registered with ONDC in few easy steps. The documents required are Company PAN card, Company GSTIN, FSSAI for food businesses and supermarkets. Bank account details with cancelled check. Contact details of your business. Let's next look at the seller's journey on the ONDC platform. To register on the ONDC network, Indian sellers need to first identify a seller app and register on it. Next, they upload pictures and write clear descriptions of their products. Your products are now available for people to see on the ONDC network. On receiving the order, you have to prepare for the delivery of the order. Once the product is delivered successfully, the payment for your sale will be credited to your bank account. Thank you.